If I told you there are people making thousands of dollars online every single month without ever leaving their bedroom, would you believe me? Here's the truth. Making money online isn't a myth. It's real. It's happening right now. And not just for a few lucky people. In this video, I'm going to walk you through 10 proven ways to make money online in 2025. Some of them are simple, beginner-friendly side hustles. Others are full-time businesses that can completely change your life. Let's jump straight in. First up, print on demand. Here's how it works. You upload your own designs to sites like Redbubble, Teespring, or Merch by Amazon. Every time someone buys your design on a shirt, hoodie, or mug, you get paid. You don't ship anything. You don't store inventory. You don't handle customer service. Example: a student from Germany uploaded a funny dog meme shirt. One of the designs went viral on TikTok, and now it sells 20 to 30 shirts a day. That's hundreds of dollars every month, completely on autopilot. The trick is simple. Find trending niches and keep uploading consistently. Next up is digital products. And honestly, this one is pure profit. You create something once and you can sell it forever. Think ebooks, Notion templates, or online courses. Example: a creator made a simple Notion budget planner and listed it on Gumroad for $15. In 1 year, she sold more than 5,000 copies. That's over $75,000 from one digital product. Digital products are amazing because there's no shipping, no inventory, and profit margins can hit 90% or more. Let's move on to affiliate marketing, the classic way to earn online. You recommend products you already use and love. When someone buys through your unique link, you get paid a commission. Example: a small YouTube channel reviewed productivity apps and used affiliate links. After a few videos went viral, they started making about $2,000 a month, just from commissions. You can start with Amazon Associates, but the big money comes from high-ticket offers, like software or online courses that pay $100 to $500 per sale. Number 4 is one of my favorites: YouTube automation. You don't need to show your face. You use scripts, AI voiceovers, and stock footage to make videos. Example: a faceless finance channel started posting 2 videos a week, all voiceover and stock footage, and grew to 100,000 subscribers in under a year. Today, that channel earns over $8,000 a month in ad revenue alone. The secret? Strong storytelling, clean editing, and being consistent. Next is something most people overlook: newsletters. Email might sound old school, but it's one of the most profitable tools online. You can build a free newsletter using Beehive or Substack and monetize it later with sponsorships or paid subscriptions. Example: a fitness coach started a weekly newsletter giving simple health tips. After 6 months, she had 12,000 subscribers. She introduced a $5 a month premium plan, and just 1,000 people joined. That's $5,000 every month recurring. Email lists are gold because you own them. No algorithm, no platform risk. Quick break before we move on. If you're getting value from this video, make sure to hit the like button so YouTube shows it to more people. And if you want my complete step-by-step guide on faceless YouTube automation guide, check the link in the description or right here on screen. Alright, let's keep going. Let's talk TikTok monetization. TikTok still gives insane organic reach. Even with 0 followers, you can go viral overnight. Example: a student tested Amazon gadgets and posted short videos. One of his clips hit 3 million views and earned $4,500 in affiliate commissions that month. The key is the first 3 seconds. Hook people instantly. Deliver value. And make every video part of a mini-series. Up next, Dropshipping 2.0. Old school dropshipping is dead. But branded, fast shipping stores are thriving. Example: A small Shopify store sold a minimalist LED desk lamp. They used local suppliers, ran short TikTok ads, and hit $50,000 in 90 days with a 30% profit margin. Modern dropshipping is all about brand, speed, and customer experience. Number 8. Coaching and consulting. If you've got a skill, people will pay to learn from you. Example: a marketing freelancer started offering one-on-one consulting calls for $150 an hour. Within 6 months, she replaced her full-time income just by helping 10 clients a month. You don't need millions of followers. You just need results that others want. 9 is starting a content agency. Every business right now needs social media content, especially short-form videos. Example: a 19-year-old offered TikTok editing services to local cafes. He charged $300 per month each and landed 10 clients, earning $3,000 a month while outsourcing the editing. That's the beauty of agencies. You focus on getting clients. Others do the work. And finally, AI content services. The future of freelancing. AI tools like ChatGPT, Midjourney, and 11 Labs can write blog posts, design ads, and even create voiceovers for clients. Example: a freelancer offered 10 AI-generated blog posts for $200 a month. Within 3 months, he had 5 clients, earning $1,000 a month, part-time. The demand for AI services is exploding, and it's still early. So there you have it. 10 proven ways to make money online in 2025. From print on demand to AI services, every single method works if you stay consistent. Here's my challenge to you. Don't just watch. Pick one method and stick with it for the next 90 days. Because success online doesn't come from knowing more. It comes from doing more. Now I want to hear from you. Which of these 10 are you going to start with? Drop it in the comments. I'll be replying to the first 50. And if you want more tutorials on building passive income and online businesses, make sure to subscribe, like this video, and watch the next one on Faceless YouTube Automation Guide. It's linked right here on screen. Remember, the only thing standing between you and financial freedom is taking action. Subscribe for weekly income tips. Watch next. Faceless YouTube Automation Guide.